You'll be going to the cheese plant, which is in this premises only, which is Southeast Asia's biggest plant.
In a world of curious young minds, the KBC Junior kids were given a chance to visit the Go Cheese manufacturing factory. As we walked through the factory gates, the children buzzed with excitement. The same kind of excitement that they have while opening a fresh packet of their favorite cheese at home. For many of them, Go Cheese has always been a part of their happiest memories. Snacking on slices while watching their favorite cartoons, grabbing a cheesy bite during the weekend gaming sessions, the cheese that has filled their yummy lunchboxes for years. Stepping inside the factory was like walking into the heart of those memories. With the gleaming stainless steel machines, friendly experts, the warm, comforting aroma of cheese, and all the warm memories, the KBC Juniors had an amazing time.